So today I'm cooking orecchiette pasta with Italian sausage with fennel, red pepper, bell peppers, red onion, garlic, and white wine. And the other ingredient is going to be mushrooms. So the sauce is done. Now I'm adding some pasta water to the, and then the pasta is cooked. Just gonna this smells amazing, super delicious, and I hope you guys give this a try. Now add the mushrooms later to it. Follow me for more recipes. So now I'm adding the mushrooms that I sauteed separately with a little bit of white wine. So these are delicious, and I hope you guys try this recipe. Bon appetit!